you go. You okay?
Well, get blood back in his legs.
Yeah, they'll probably have to put it down.
Man, I didn't know all you guys were coming.
I've seen him sitting out there. I said, you know what? Maybe
might-
4 or 5 of us can get this.
There might just be no blood in his back legs.
Yeah.
Just give him
He's
about 5
moving them.
minutes. Yeah, give him about 5 whole minutes. Whew. Yeah, it must suck thinking you're not going to make it. Get a cigarette.
They're in.
You gotta get one from the store.
Boy, he's been there a while.
You guys made a friend.
Yeah. Probably gonna be a poor day.